My name is Bimbo. I hope you like the way we sing. Just be simple. This is life. Don't give up hope. Go on. Enjoy your life forever. Don't be so very sad. It's Saturday. So just go out there, feel free, be yourself. Don't be somebody else that you're not. Okay? Just remember, you are a gift of God, and you are not alone. God is with you. Be strong, be where you are, and be friendly with others. Your neighbor is your family. Sibugay no? Go. Good morning.